Today's video from Sam4S. We're taking a look at receipt printer problems on the ER260 BEJ register. So I've got a problem with my receipt printer here. This is what my receipt should look like. So there's a clear receipt header message, and then I can see all the lines of the transaction down to the bottom. What's currently happening on mine is I'm getting a big block of print missing. So it's very unclear. There's obviously a problem with the printer, and I'll just prove the problem I've got by printing out a copy receipt. And you can see there's a big block missing. So if you've got anything appearing on the till receipt printout like this, so either big patch of text missing or dotted lines appearing and the receipt not printing out correctly, you need to look at the thermal printhead on the machine. We can rule out the paper because we're getting some print on there, so the paper's obviously the correct type of paper. I mean, you could prove the point by changing the roll and putting a new thermal till roll in there and double checking that, but the type of problem we're getting is it's a more serious problem than the wrong roll or the roll loaded the incorrect way. So I'll show you how I'm going to fix it on mine. I mean, obviously I can't guarantee it's going to work on yours, but it'll be worth having a go. So because you're going to be looking at the thermal printhead, you need to turn the machine off at the mains, and you lift off the printer cover here. It lifts off the catch on the back of the machine. Then you lift up the platen arm as you normally would to change the till roll. We can move the roll out of the way if we move the spool as well, because that's going to get in the way. So the thermal printhead is quite difficult to spot. I'll move the camera in a bit. You're basically looking at that kind of green. Here is the thermal printhead, so not this black thing and not the metal thing just above it. It's this bit here. So you can see on mine I've basically made, I've kind of engineered a problem with it. So I've got some tape over mine which is causing the problem. So that removing that should do the job. I'm not expecting yours to have quite the same problem as mine, like a manufactured problem. But what you can do is you can try cleaning the printhead before replacing it. So you can get these thermal printer cleaning pens. They've got like an edge to them which you run across the thermal printhead, because you imagine if you're using your till every day, tearing till roll off, receipts going through the machine all day for a long period of time, what can happen is you can get a build-up of paper dust on there, or just everyday dust building up there, and if that thermal printhead gets blocked, that can cause a problem on the machine with the printing. So I'll just move the camera back. I'll just prove the point. I mean, it's slightly a false point because I've created a fake problem on my machine really. But when you put the till roll back in, power the machine back on, back to the reg mode, what I'm expecting to happen is when I get my copy receipt print out now, I'm expecting the text to be clear. So there we go, the problem was being caused by an obstructed thermal printhead. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos, some of which will be appearing on screen now, showing you how to get the best out of the ER260 and other Sam4S cash registers, so feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.